All right, guys. Chris Russell here with Job Board Secrets. So, Google for Jobs update. Some news today around some new guidelines that Google has published for job boards and ATSs around their job posting schema. So, some of it's kind of basic spammy type stuff, but there is something new called direct apply, which we'll get into here. Let's start with, it was covered by some of the SEO sites. So I got search engine land pulled up here. We'll start with the kind of the basic stuff. So new editorial guidelines for job postings. They want to improve the quality of results in the product, of course. So kind of the same thing what Indeed did, back in the day. They want you to verify there are no scammy or spammy job posts on your site. These are job posts that don't represent a real job opportunity, it says. Make sure you only mark up pages with a single and actionable job opportunity. So basically, just have the apply on there. They want to ensure a good user experience. Not too many ads on there or complex processes, of course. You need to make sure you're taking out expired listings when those jobs do expire in your feed. And a lot of the job board software companies like Jobboard.io and Smart Job Board, I'm sure they'll have a lot of this built in, which they do already. You want to make sure the job post date is genuine. Don't include wrong or misleading information in the job post or markup. I'm not sure how they would detect that. Like, this includes incorrect salary. Like, how do they know it's incorrect? Working hours, employment type, or other details. So a little unsure what they're talking about there. But let's go to direct apply. So I'm going to pull up the Google search central page, and I'll put a link to this in the video description there. But here's the new direct apply. So basically what they're doing here is they're saying to job boards and ATSs, we want you to, when you click the apply button, go right to the form, which means no more registration for logging in to the job board or the ATS. That, according to Google, is a poor user experience. So it works two ways. So when the job is on Google and it says apply on Google, it goes right to your application form, and from there, the job seeker can complete it. So like on a Smart Job Board, for example, there is a pop-up box which has the form in there. And I'm assuming that's what they're talking about here. So right to that application form itself. Same thing for ATSs. The other way is applying Google, which then takes you to the apply on a job board, which kind of happens now. And they go straight to the application form and then complete it. So basically, the one other step that typically might happen on a job board or ATS is that registration page. And that's what they're looking to avoid there. So they're trying to remove one click for the seeker on the when they do apply. So this stuff is coming. You have to be you have to have it done by October 1st, which is when the new guidelines go into place. And so some news here. Google for Jobs. They haven't done much in a while as far as updating this. Their schema or their rules or just the product itself. So this should be interesting to see how it works. So the big news is the direct apply here. It says the direct apply is an optional way that enables you to share if your listings offer a direct apply experience. We define a direct apply experience in terms of the user actions required to apply for the job, which means that the user is offered a short and straightforward application process on your page. You likely offer a direct apply experience if your site provides one of the following experiences. The user completes the application process on your site. Once a private gets your page from Google, the user doesn't have to click on apply and provide user information more than once to complete the application process here. So this should be interesting to see how they penalize or not penalize boards. It says it's optional. It's an optional way, it says. So a little unclear as what that means for job publishers out there. So if you don't have it, will you not get as many where jobs not appear at the top. I'm assuming maybe they're going to start to prioritize jobs with direct apply once they have this in place. So it's going to take a while to actually see this in action. Again, October 1st is the deadline. So starting in the fall here, we may see some new changes here with Google for Jobs and how it all works and how they display this on the site. So to be continued, and we're certainly keep abreast of this on jobwordsecrets.com. So definitely stay tuned, hop on our email list, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. So for Job Word Secrets, I'm Chris Russell. See you next time.